YouTube? It's your boy Zach Will Motivated, and I'm back with another video. On my way to work. Gotta get to the bag, man, at all costs. Ain't no, man. Anxiety is real, man. If you ever find yourself in a place to where you feel like you're being attacked on all angles, you feel like the walls are caving in on you or falling in on you, you're under an anxiety attack. And the only way to relieve that pressure is find you a safe place. Anywhere could be a safe place as long as you can view it as a safe place. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I gotta be direct. For some people, having sexual relations is a way for them to vent. It's considered a safe place. I'm throwing it out there first, just to get it out the window. Travel. Go somewhere. Go to a park. They got hills. Go somewhere where you can just window shop. You don't have to impulsively buy. Find that space. Because, believe it or not, that space will help you relieve the pressure that could cause you to do things that you wouldn't normally do. Take the time out to progressively relieve that anxiety, that claustrophobic feel. Take the time in to relieve yourself. Read something. Find your YouTube channel to watch like this one where we talk about health, mental health, that headspace. Because if the head is not right, the body not right. You cut the head off, the body will fall. So the head has to be right. And I think that's the best thing that anybody can do, is find that happy place, that serene place, to where they can feel comfortable enough to deal with their daily issues or their anxiety moments, their stressful moments. Find that place, because the moment you start feeling like you're under attack, you're not going to be right mentally. Your headspace is not going to be right. So, with that being said, it's your boy Zach Will Motivated, and I'm checking out with another video. Oh, real quick, I seen the Porsche Cayenne GT. Oh my God. Oreos, yeah. Beefy, that's a GT too. Turbo GT. Ooh, that thing. Man, look at the piping on the back of this thing, man. And they got the carbon fiber on there too. Puerto Rico. In the backseat of my question. Water in the back of that thing. She mean, ain't she? Yup. I'm recording at the same time. Yup, I'm double jointed, Jack. They say you get paid for doing this shit, so why not? Why not? I got this still plastic on my seat. I'm gonna wait till you finish that. What that ceiling look like? I ain't got the roof in there. That's suede though. Suede the head one. Carbon fiber top. Big carbon. Yes, sir. What they want for this? I bet you they want about 221. 201. 221. What they want for it? 221. On the money. I be knowing my shit, bro. I be knowing it, bro. 221. Alright, cool. That's cool.